Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning, students. How you all? Are you fine? Yes, I think you all are very, very fine. Okay, okay. As we discussed, we have completed our first unit. 2 lessons we have completed, and its practices also we have done it completely. Okay, I believe you all have completed your homeworks also. Isn't it? Did you have completed? Yes, most of you have sent to me your homeworks. Very good. Congratulations to you all. Okay, some of you didn't send it now. Please rush it. Okay, okay, good. Then I am asking you, did you have completed your homework? You may reply to me what yes or no. You have to be honesty always. You have to be honesty and truthful, boy or girl, every time. Okay, okay. Now we are going to start a new lesson related to honesty. That's why I just asked, just indicated about it. Okay, 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 okay. Just open your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 21. Al-Mahdatu Thaniya, second unit. Second unit. I kept my book here on table. Okay. Then second lesson is, look at textbook. I'm going to read, just to read. Then we will discuss about its meaning, and then we will let us copy the meanings to your notebook. Okay. Now just reading. Ad-darasu salis, third lesson. Ad-darasu salis, third lesson. As-sidqu najjani. The heading of lesson is As-sidqu najjani. This is a conversation, a story that you may know. That's Malayalam story you may know, but it's in Arabic, maybe first time. Okay. Then this is a conversation between, a story between a boy and his mother and some people. Okay. That's surprise. Okay, inshallah, let us discuss about it. Okay. Then As-sidqu najjani. The mother is telling what? Inna turiqa ila Misra khatiratun ya waladi. That meaning also let us discuss now, because we have very less time. Okay, no problem. As-sidqu najjani. The honesty saved me. Sidq means honesty. Sidq means honesty. Honesty. The honesty saved me. Najjani. See? The honesty saved me. That's heading. That's lesson. Okay. The honesty saved me. That's the boy is telling that the honesty saved me. How? When? Let us discuss. Okay. Inna turiqa ila Misra khatiratun ya waladi. That mother is telling, Inna turiqa ila Misra khatiratun ya waladi. The way. Turiq means way. The way to the Egypt is very dangerous. Khatiratun means dangerous. The way to Egypt is very dangerous, my son. Very dangerous to my son. Then the mother is telling, next sentence, in first picture, look at there. Walakin illa budda min talabil ilmi ya ummi. Sorry, that boy is telling, replying, Walakin la budda min talabil ilmi ya ummi. Look, that boy, Walakin, but the mother is telling, the way of Egypt is very dangerous. Misr means Egypt. Okay. Then that boy is replying, Walakin, but La Buddha, it is necessary. It is necessary. Okay. La Buddha min talabil ilmi. It is necessary to seek the knowledge. To seek the knowledge. It is necessary to seek the knowledge. There is a chalk. Okay. La Buddha. It means La Buddha means it is necessary. It is necessary to seek. Talab means we have studied in last lesson. Previous lesson we have studied. Min talabil ilmi, to seek knowledge. To seek. Talab means seek. Talab means seek. Okay. Next picture. That mother is asking, Hal tu'ahiduni? Hal tu'ahiduni? Hal tu'ahiduni means, do you promise? You have to copy this all to your notebook, okay, and send to me. Do you promise? Hal tu'ahiduni ala iltizami sidqi? Look at textbook. Ala iltizami sidqi. Do you promise me what? To be honesty. Ala iltizami sidqi. To be honesty. Okay, no need to write, just you write. Ala iltizami sidqi, to be honesty. But iltizam, whenever we are using iltizam as a single word, its meaning is commitment. Iltizam. Iltizam means commitment. Commitment. Okay, but when we are using in a sentence, its meaning is not there. It's simply, do you promise to be honesty? Okay, next. In that boy is replying, Na'am, yes, wa'ahiduka, I promise. Okay, I promise. Next. When that boy is going to seek knowledge to Egypt, then that mother is giving him some money. Okay, whenever we are going to somewhere, our mother or father is giving us pocket money. Okay, okay. Then that mother is giving what she is giving? Khudh ya bunayya. Khudh ya bunayya. Khudh, take. Take. Khudh, take. Take ya bunayya, my son. Bunayya means small son. Okay. Hadhihi khamsuna dinar. Hadhihi khamsuna dinaran. This is 50 dinar. 50 Arabian money, dinar. 50 dinar, dhahaban, gold. Then this is 50 golden dinar. Dhahaban means golden. Okay. Then that boy is replying, Hada kasirun ya ummi. This is a lot. This is a lot. This is too much. Hada kasirun. Hada kasirun. This is too much. This is too much, my mother. Okay, this is too much, my mother. Then he is praying for his mother. Jazakillahu khaira. Jazakillahu khaira. Allah may. Jazakillahu khaira. May Allah reward you. Jazakillahu khaira. What to say? May Allah reward you. He is praying for his mother. May Allah reward you. Then he is traveling now. Then fourth picture. He is traveling on a camel. Then he is asking to his co-traveler. Someone is traveling with him. Then he is asking him, Kam baqiya minat turiqi. Kam baqiya minat turiqi. He is a small kid now. And he is asking with curiosity, what? Kam baqiya minat turiqi. how much remains in the way. How much ways are remaining? Hmm? How much ways are left remaining? Hmm? Then that man is replying, baqiya kasiran, remaining a lot. Remaining a lot. When we are traveling to a far place, very far place, very distance is there, then we will ask how many remains, how many ways are remaining now. Then, okay, like that. Then, kam baqiya min at-tariqi, how much remains on the way? Then that man's replying, baqiya kasiran, remaining a lot. Isbir, isbir, isbir means be patient. Be patient. Isbir, be patient. Wasta'in billah. Ista'in means ask help. Ask help. Ask help. Wasta'in, ask help to Allah. Okay, then baqiya kasiran, isbir, wasta'in billah. Okay, good. Then that page is over. Next page. It's very simple, very interesting lesson. Okay. Then at that time, suddenly some people jumped to them. Some people jumped to them with a sword and knife. They are thieves. They are thieves. Let us see what will happen. Okay. Look at that. This page also we are going to take. Very simple. Okay. Qif makanaka. They are telling, Qif makanaka. What? Stop. Stop where you are. Qif makanaka means stop where you are. Stop where you are. That means don't move. Okay, don't move. Then next they are telling, Man taharraka qatalnahu. Man taharraka qatalnahu. Whoever moved, we will kill him. Whoever moved, no need to write, simply whoever moved, we will kill him. Yeah? Okay, they are threatening them. Then they are praying to Allah. That man is praying to Allah. Allahumma inna naj'aluka fi nuhurihim wa na'udhu bika min shururihim. Allahumma inna naj'aluka fi nuhurihim. It means that, Ya Allah, we ask the help of Allah. We ask help of Allah to destroy them. We ask the help of Allah. Allahumma inna najaluka fi nuhurihim means we ask the help of Allah for what? Fi nuhurihim, to destroy them. To destroy them. Okay. Next. وَنَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ شُرُورِهِمْ, and we seek refuge. And we seek refuge. We seek refuge for what? Min shururihim, from their evilness. From their evilness. Okay. Then, Ya Allah, we ask to help us. We ask the help of Allah to destroy them, and we are asking refuge from their evilness. The next, that thief, a thief is asking to that boy, Hal ma'aka malun ya ghulam? Hal ma'aka malun ya ghulam? Then what it means? Do you have money? Do you hal ma'aka malun? Do you have money? Hal is hal ma'aka. Do you have? Hal ma'aka? Do you have? Malun, money. Ya ghulam, a boy, a child. Then he is replying, Khamsuna dinar, 50 dinar. Then next, Ajaban, wonder. Ajaban, that thief wondered. Ajaban means wonder. Wonder. Okay. Kaifa ta'tarifu? How you reveals. How you reveals or agreeing. Reveal or agree. Okay. What? Ta'tarifu. How you agreeing bil mablagh. Bil mablagh. Mablagh means amount. Mablagh means amount. How you are agreeing the amount. وَنَحْنُ لُصُوصٌ, we are thieves. How you are agreeing? How you are agreeing? How you are revealing that about the amount? Because we are thieves. Then that boy is replying, لَقَدْ عَاهَدْتُ أُمِّي عَلَى الصِّدْقِ, I have promised to my mother. What? For what? عَلَى الصِّدْقِ, to be honesty. وَأَخَافُ, I am afraid of. I am afraid of. أَنْ أَخُونَ أَحْدَهَا, to cheat. أحد, sorry, أخونا. And أخونا means cheat. خيانة بحبس شديد. أخونا cheat. وأخاف أن أخون عهدها, I am afraid of to cheat her promise. Then that boy is very cute and honest. Then we also have to be like that. How many of us are telling truth in every time? We have to think ourselves. Okay, inshallah, remaining lesson we will continue on next class. Let us see, inshallah. Now you have to read this lesson and repeat it. Okay, and copy the meanings, all meanings to your notebook and show me through WhatsApp. Okay, inshallah. Let us see. Now I am just requesting you to include me and my family in your prayers. Inshallah. Let us see. Concluding my words. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.